Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, the wonderful husband, part-time seller, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari.
I love that you just change it up every time.
Yeah.
Okay, so for today's video, we are doing a new box thing. I don't think it's like new for you guys, but new to me.
It was a requested box as well.
Yeah, so the Goodwill Blue Box. I'd heard about it before, but I've seen horror stories, so I wasn't going to do it. But Galaxy Finds, if you don't know her channel, she has a channel here on YouTube, and she also has an Instagram. She's really great with vintage, so if you like vintage, check her out. But she had mentioned the Goodwill Blue Box in one of my comments and had stated that it was pretty good, and it's a good price. I'm always looking for inventory that is cheap. So we grabbed this. I have no idea what to expect. It's actually been sitting for a few days and just staring at me. So
yeah, it's been insufferable. She's been pacing back and forth in front of it like a shark in front of a diving cage.
I am a sucker for mysteries, and so I'm excited to open it, although I do not have very high hopes just based on everything that I have seen. So,
What?
I wanted to get the price, but now we have to cut this out.
So don't move. Got it.
Okay, so this box cost $24.99 and plus shipping, and it was 10 to 12 pieces of curated secondhand finds. So all it basically says is it's women's basic apparel box and that there's 10 to 12 pieces of clothing. We have shaken the box and there's something hard in there. He's guessing shoes. I don't know because I don't qualify shoes as clothing, but I don't know. So yeah, we will see.
Well, that's where you're wrong, because you wear shoes just like you wear clothes.
Yeah, so you guys, let us know in the comments below. Would you count shoes as clothing, or do you think that they're their own separate category? I don't know. So, here we go.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
It's
So,
a wallet.
this would be, to me, an accessory or something. But anyway, so, okay, the first thing that he pulled out was this gray wallet thing with a gold zipper. There's no branding on it so far, so oh, okay, it's Target. It's
New Day.
a New Day, yeah, Target. It's in good condition. I likely wouldn't sell it just because I think that they probably retail for like $10. So
I mean, I would. We've gone over this, darling. It's always better to sell if you can to get some of the money back.
yeah. This is another thing I won't sell. It says Kimmery medium, if you know anything about the brand, but I can tell you just from the feeling, it's athletic wear, but I wouldn't say great quality athletic wear.
I mean, it's got pockets, I think. No, it does not.
No, it does not. But yeah, it's just regular blue shirt, but I mean, good condition, nothing wrong with it.
Esley. Don't know.
Another thing I've never heard of, size medium, it's polyester.
It's got statement sleeves.
Yeah, it does have statement sleeves. Those are really cute. Again, looks like, from a quick once-over, it looks like okay condition. Actually, I take that back. The seam is not ripped, but it's coming loose, if you can see that.
I mean, how bad is it? I could probably
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, I know nothing about the brand, so that would be something we would have to research. But
This is Casper Petite.
okay. So this is a vintage brand. I don't know if this particular piece is vintage, but it is popular in the vintage market. It looks like
It's a suit, or it's a two-piece, because it's just...
well, it kind of looks almost cropped, which is a little strange for a suit. But yeah, it is. You said petite, right? 8 petite.
Yes, 8 petite for this as well. Those are the pants.
Yeah, so these are pants. I don't generally do great with suits, I'm not really sure why, to be completely honest. And sets I generally will sell separately. But, I mean, Casper seems to be big in the vintage market, so I'm not super angry about that.
Nike Golf.
Okay,
pants.
so I've heard Nike sells really well. If you can see this, Nike Golf, size 10. I don't generally sell them just because I don't know nothing about it. Nothing against Nike, I just know nothing about it. But, I mean, they seem like they're in good condition. So, yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with them.
And Taylor, cute shorts.
And Taylor, signature, size 8. I mean, it's a good season for this. Again, nothing glaring wrong with them that I can see. They have hook and eye closure here. They're cute. Good for the summer.
These are Tech Gear shorts, size medium.
Okay, athletic wear. Tech Gear is something I've worn personally, but I don't think it's very big in the reselling world. Probably because our price point is pretty low to start. But athletic wear is big right now, and I mean, they look like they're in okay condition. Drawstring, pull-on styles, so they have pockets.
So this is Jones, New York, medium, short skirt.
Okay.
Or it's a skirt with shorts inside?
Skort, darling, skort.
Sure.
Yeah, so there you go. Another drawstring type thing. I mean, I don't know much about Jones, New York, but seems fine.
Cha-Cha Venti, medium.
Never heard of it. This one has tags attached. It's an outlet store. The original price on the
That's the
yellow,
discounted price.
But the original price was $19.99, and the discount is $13.99. So
yeah,
probably not going to be worth much, but the sleeves are really cute. There we go, and there's the tag if you want to see it. So yeah, I mean, the sleeves are really cute. It's in good condition, but again, I'd probably be lucky if I could get $5 for something like this. Okay, so these dots, I believe Nicole State has actually talked about these, and I have not been able to figure it out. So if you guys know this brand, I know Nicole State has mentioned it. Size medium. It's an athletic brand. It does actually feel really nice. It has ruching on the side here. It's a long maxi dress, but I know nothing. So it could be a really good piece, or it could just be something that looks like something else. Not really sure, but if you guys know the brand, please leave it in the comments, because I think looking up 3 dots might be quite difficult.
Ralph Lauren Sport, size 12.
Okay.
It's a vest.
And that's it. So yeah, Ralph Lauren Sport. It is cotton. It's pink. It's cute. Yeah, so how many pieces did we get?
I don't know.
Well, we could count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sorry if you can't hear him.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Alright, so approximately 11 pieces.
12 if you count the 2-piece as a separates.
Okay, so would I recommend a box like this? Because a lot of you guys have been asking me if I recommend the different boxes that I buy. So the price point is pretty good. It's only $25, but I don't know. I guess it would depend on your business model. If you have a business model like me where you tend to try to skew things a little bit towards the medium price range and then you mix in lower price range items to keep things flowing, I don't know that I would necessarily recommend this box, because a lot of these items I have a feeling I won't be able to sell. The shipping on Poshmark is $7, which basically prices out a lot of this stuff. I might be able to throw it on eBay or Mercari and see, you know, with a little bit lower shipping if I can move some of this stuff, but...
Well, with eBay you get the lower percentage and you could make it lower shipping.
Yeah, but that said, I only saw maybe 1 or 2 pieces that I would even consider listing. I will put everything up there because that's what we've been doing, is trying to just see how it goes, and we will give you an update to let you know how it does. But I would say off first glance, I would not recommend this box. I don't think that it is worth putting your money out there for items that you'll be lucky if you get your money back.
I mean, you're at $3.50, $3.80 cost.
Yeah, and I think about it this way. Would I pick up, you know, a Ralph Lauren pink vest for $3.80? And that answer is no. I would not do that. I actually don't think there's a single item in here I would have picked up for $3.80.
I mean, the Nike golf pants.
I probably would have passed on it anyway, and it might actually be worth it, and this might be a good learning process for me, learning which items to pick up, but it's not something that I would generally put in my closet. So, That said, if you're a volume seller and you like to sell anything and everything and you like to just kind of move things along, which guys, I commend you because I wish that I was that way. I'm just not patient enough for volume selling.
No.
But if you are, then this might actually work for you because they're all in good condition. I didn't see anything horribly wrong with anything.
Yeah, they were all fine. I didn't see any rips or tears.
Right. So if that is your business model, then this may work for you. The price point is pretty good. It's just definitely a gamble. And not a gamble I would probably take again. So anyways, that is it. If you like this type of video and you like to see what is out there for online sourcing options, we do our best to show you what we can find. So make sure that you leave a comment down below letting me know that you like it. Give this video a thumbs up. And then go and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. But yeah. So I don't know.
Not enthused, but
not enthused, but we will see, and we will give you a review as soon as we have listed all the items and have an idea of what we are able to make, if anything, on the box. I would give a full disclosure that they do follow me on Instagram. I don't know if that affects at all what they send, if they send better quality products to people that they know are resellers and they know are going to post about it. I don't know. We have a very small following, so you would think no, but I want to make sure that I put that out there just because they do follow me. They do like some of my posts, so who knows? It could affect. Who knows? But anyways, that's it. So, yeah. If you guys have tried the Goodwill Blue Box and you have had good luck or bad luck or anything, please let me know. I am always interested, and if there are other types of boxes that you think do better, I know that they have shoe boxes and stuffed animal boxes, and they have all these types of things. If there's something that you found better luck with, let us know. We'd be willing to try it and let you guys know what we think. But this is their basic Apparel box, and that's what we got. So
we're basically not impressed.
Yeah, it's basic.
Yeah,
so,
pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We will be back very soon with a new video.
Thank you all for watching.